In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to set up your meeting so everything runs smoothly without any last-minute confusion. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom application or go to your Zoom Workplace dashboard in your browser. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Meetings. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where all your scheduled meetings are stored, including upcoming and past sessions. When you open the Meetings section, you'll see a calendar-style view or a list of your meetings. This helps you keep track of your schedule and avoid double booking. It's a good habit to quickly scan this area before creating a new meeting. Now, to schedule a new meeting, look for a plus icon or a button that says Schedule or Create Event. Click on it. This will open the scheduling window where you can set up all the details for your meeting. Start by entering a clear and descriptive title for your meeting. This helps participants understand what the meeting is about before they even join. You can also add a short description or agenda if needed. After that, select the date and time for your meeting. Be careful to choose the correct start time and expected duration. Also, check your time zone settings, especially if your participants are in different locations. This ensures everyone joins at the correct time. After that, you'll see several meeting options. For security, you can enable a passcode or turn on the waiting room feature. The waiting room allows you to control when participants enter the meeting, which is useful for maintaining privacy and organization. You can also adjust video and audio settings. For example, you can choose whether the host's video is on or off when the meeting starts, and whether participants join with their microphones muted. Muting participants on entry is a good idea for larger meetings to avoid background noise. If your meeting is going to happen regularly, look for the recurrence option. You can set it to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. This saves time because you won't need to create the same meeting again and again. There are also advanced options you can explore. For example, you can allow participants to join before the host or restrict access to only authenticated users. These settings are optional but can be useful depending on your needs. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the date, time, and settings to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Save button. Your Zoom meeting is now scheduled. After saving, Zoom will generate a unique meeting link along with details like the meeting ID and passcode. You can copy this information and share it with your participants through email, messaging apps, or calendar invites. And that's it. Scheduling a Zoom meeting is simple once you know the steps. Just go to Meetings, click Create or Schedule, fill in your details, and save. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.